Lou, happy birthday. That's what we're here for. And why is Gairdner on this call? Why are we organizing this? Because amongst many, many other honors that Lou Siminovitch has received, he received the Canada Gairdner Whiteman Award. And it's hard to imagine a better recipient of that award than Lou, because of all his great scientific contributions and, as many of us on the call today can attest, his enormous influence in recruiting and establishing the major research centers in Canada and bringing in and mentoring scientists who themselves have gone on to do great things. This is just a spectrum. It would be a very long list of all the people who can say Lou Siminovitch influenced their careers. I'm certainly one of them. So Lou, you exemplify the Gairdner mission, which is to celebrate excellence in fundamental research as applied to human health. I can't think of a better person to be an example for how Gairdner has done its work over the years and continues. So from my point of view, happy birthday and congratulations. And I'm now going to turn to Heather Munroe-Blum.
Wonderful to see you. No surprise that you're here, vital and full of energy at 100 years. It seems like the 10 years since your 90th birthday just flew by, and you weren't quiet during that period any more than you have been in any decade of your life. But I'm going to add to Janet your own, the comments that she raised about how you've influenced the lives of everybody here, and then we represent so many people beyond us. So it's through us that you feel the impact that you've had in shaping careers. And I'd say, as Principal Emerita of McGill University, I can't be prouder. I can't think of an alum we would be prouder of than you. And for what you've done in creating whole fields of science.
So now I'm going to turn to the previous chair of the board of the Gairdner Foundation and his wife, Lorne, Tyrrell and Leah.
Hello, Lou. This is truly a privilege to be part of the group to wish you a very happy 100th anniversary. I've been in science in Canada for a long time, and your influence isn't only in Toronto, but it's across this country and truly international. And I know when I first came into the Gairdner and to MRC before CIHR, it was always a great pleasure to see and discuss science with you, no matter where we were. And it was always amazing to me, your knowledge of scientists across the country and around the world.
Let's hear from John Dirks.
Lou, I want to congratulate you. And you're probably one of the few living people who has been through the whole Gairdner story from 1959. And I remember when I joined the Gairdner Medical Advisory Board when I was in British Columbia, you had just received the Whiteman Award, and it's very distinctive for the three areas of leadership that you were involved in. A leader of national genetics, of the Toronto and national academic scene, and a major policy guru for both the provincial and the federal governments, which are enormous contributions to Canadian and international medicine.
And now I'm going to turn to Lewis Kay and actually his father, Cyril Kay. We have both of them on the line here.
I want to begin by wishing Lou a very happy birthday. I think that your mentorship and your leadership to the scientific community at large in Canada has been absolutely essential. I think the fact that you're able to successfully lobby politicians and about the merits of basic research is just absolutely so important, and it's more important now than it's ever been. And I think your ideas have been right on, and I know that I speak for this generation, my generation, when I say thank you very much for paving the way for us and for allowing us to do our research and to get some funding to be able to do it.
You ready? Happy
Happy
birthday
to
you.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lou.
Happy birthday to you.
Well, Lou, I'm afraid in terms of the wonderful musical performance, that was not right up there. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway.
Scientists.
Very much for the night.
Okay, thanks everybody.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Lou.
birthday, Lou.
Thank
Thank you, Janet, for organizing.
Thanks.
Jenna.